The following identifications are from Pepper Records Incorporated, Memphis, Tennessee.
Mr. Hit Parader, what do you pick? What's the record you pick to click in your great phonograph dominion? What'll it be in your opinion? Here on KIX, it's happy listening on the early morning show. You're at 850 where folks are listening to the best in radio. Wake up, you're gonna be late. You know you have a very important date on the morning show on radio. WKIX, morning music. You're either in high spirits, or you feel low down. But whether you're sitting on top of the world,
or decidedly blue today,
you can cure your blues. Get all the news on WKIX. Hurry, you're in such a flurry. Got to get the day's work done. Time to take a radio break. Relax with 850 WKIX. We're red hot because we've got the coolest sound around. WKIX in Raleigh. Put music on your menu. Why walk around with the blues all day? Swing along, sing along with WKIX music. We've got car music, kitchen music, music for the bath. Because of our diversity, you'll find a well-worn path to radio station WKIX, with the most happy sound you will find for miles around. The place to go on your radio. Grade 85, the pride of Raleigh, WKIX. Well, I land my jet and I look around, see where Raleigh is a swinging town. Hi-fi records on the radio, news reviews on your favorite show. Who gets the latest, the greatest look? WKIX.
unquote.
Wow, did you see that doll? She has taste and that's not all.
Who's the guy who's kissing her?
He's a WKIX listener. She has taste, she likes to go with the guy who listens to 850. Easy does it when you drive. Easy does it stay alive. If you want to be around later, take it easy on the accelerator. Just relax, enjoy the sound. The WKIX Woodstock. You're listening to WKIX Raleigh. We're here to make you smile. What a pleasant way to spend the day with 85 on your dial. Pardon me, my dear, but do you own a radio?
I do.
Well, do you ever listen to the Jimmy Caps show?
Always, without exception.
And do you think that everyone should own a radio?
Of course not, darling, but I do think
Yes?
that everyone who's anyone who owns a radio should definitely listen to the Jimmy Caps show.
The veil of evening descends, the streets roll up for the night. Down Lover's Lane a few cars remain.
The moon seems to pause in flight. Softly, you hear a cool chorus played, a WKIX serenade. Along about evening, when the day's been rather taxing, just start relaxing to Radio Raleigh, WKIX 850 on your dial, on Raleigh Radio.
Hey, man.
Yeah,
Like, what town is this?
man, this ain't no town. It's the metropolis. This is Raleigh, home of WKIX.
Man, I'm impressed.
Well, be my guest. Stay at 85 and you'll keep in touch
What is this in touch?
with the time and the temperature.
Oh, yes, too much.
Swing along here with me, having a musical spree. WKIX, the liveliest sound in town.
Everything is here for you, sports and news and music too. This wide and wonderful world of WKIX. Won't you stay while we play the top tune of the day on the station that is #1?